Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you're all really well. Today I'm going to be making these lovely baked polpette or meatballs, and they're accompanied, instead of potatoes, they've got lovely cannellini beans through them or with them. So they're just a really nice spicy meatball with a fragrant spicy sauce that goes with them. So let's get on. I will include all the recipe and all the quantities in the description box below as per usual. So here we go. So I've got some mince here, or not barbecue, it's good quality pork and beef mince. Just breaking it up a little bit. And to that I'm going to add soaked breadcrumbs and some lemon zest. Just mix that through. And I have pre-fried some onions and garlic, so I'm going to put that in there as well. Oh, it smells delicious. And I've got grated Parmesan cheese. Going to whack that in there as well. And 1 egg. In it goes. So let's get all this combined. That's nicely mixed. Now I'm going to add all these lovely spices that include fennel and chili and some oregano and black pepper, and obviously I'm going to put some salt in as well. Salt and pepper to your liking, people. As much as you like, as much as you don't like. And there we go. Just one final mix, and then I'm going to fashion them into little balls and get them frying off. So just take them and make nice little balls out of them, just like so. Next, heat some oil in the skillet, add the meatballs and let them gently fry till they're golden and brown and gorgeous. Don't over fry them though, because we're going to actually bake them in that lovely sauce, that lovely rich spicy sauce. Once the meatballs are lovely and golden, transfer them into your favourite casserole dish, and we're going to prepare the sauce now that's going to be poured over them. In the same skillet that you've prepared the meatballs, add a little more oil and then add a chopped onion and let it get golden brown. And then add your sauce, and that can be the sauce of your choice. I've just used plain tomatoes and plain chopped tomatoes. And then we're going to add a selection of lovely spicy herbs like Italian herbs, some more garlic powder, salt and water of course, and all sorts of lovely things. The list is in the description box below. The last spice I'm going to add is thyme, and I'm going to give the sauce a good mix. And do not forget to check, the seasoning levels. See if it needs some salt and pepper. That can be the difference between, an ordinary dish and a fabulous dish. Just that seasoning adjustment. So let this simmer, and once it's ready we can pour it over those lovely luscious meatballs. We're on the home stretch now. Once your sauce is cooked, add the cannellini beans all over the meatballs, and then add your lovely sauce. Top it all over the top. Just like that. Oh, it smells Incredible, absolutely incredible. Once you've spread the sauce out, coat with really good quality pieces of fresh mozzarella, and this is going to melt all over the sauce once it's baked. And here's the end result. Gorgeous, just gorgeous, melted mozzarella on top. Just smells wonderful. And I think it's time to really dig into it now. And now, the only thing to do is to taste it. This sauce is just amazing. The depth of flavour with those herbs and spices is just, it's beyond. Now let's get into this meatball. It's so moist and so juicy and so flavoursome. It will absolutely, honestly, it'll tickle every food fancy taste bud you have in your mouth. I do urge you to try this recipe. It's scrumptious. There's no other word for it. Well, there's nothing much left for me to do other than to enjoy this delicious meal and take this opportunity to thank you all for watching, and thank you to all the new subscribers and to all those wonderful people who keep coming back. If you like this video, you might consider liking, sharing and subscribing. If you have any questions or comments or want to tell me about your favourite recipe, please do so in the description box or the comments section below. And I'll see you real soon with another lovely video. Take care, bye bye, love each other, bye!